guys, you're welcome back again. Today we're talking about why your vehicle consumes a lot of fuel. Okay, it might worry you that your vehicle consumes a lot of fuel. There are quite a number of components that when they are defective will make your vehicle to consume more fuel than expected, even up to 20 to 30% increase. Okay, number one, your oxygen sensor can make your vehicle to consume more fuel. How? Your oxygen sensor, when it's not working, it will make your car to consume more fuel because the fuel management system will be deactivated, right? When you have a bad mass airflow sensor, which they call the M.A.F sensor, or they call M.A.P sensor, which is a manifold absolute pressure sensor. All right, your vehicle will consume more fuel because to be able to measure the number of air mass that runs into your engine, the number of air that goes into your engine, and with that your vehicle will consume more fuel. If you have a clogged air filter, if your filter that takes air in, if it's dirty, enough air will not be able to go into your engine and your vehicle will consume more fuel. If you have a bad spark plugs, your vehicle will consume more fuel. If you have a bad ignition coil unplug, your vehicle will consume more fuel. Well, also, if your vehicle has lost a level of compression, your vehicle will consume more fuel. So you want to ensure every time you go for your normal routine service, at your mechanic workshop, you want to ask them to help you do a check of all these components I've just mentioned, so that to be sure your vehicle is not consuming as much fuel as consuming more fuel than normal. And also, another sign that will tell you if your vehicle consumes more fuel, when you have any light like your check engine light showing on your vehicle, or service engine soon light showing on your dashboard. That tells you your vehicle consumes more fuel. Thank you. Bye.